Hi guys! So welcome to another episode of Finish Line Diaries.
Attorney, why did you sign up for this?
What did I sign up for?
300 kilometers.
Yeah, why did I sign up? This is for my So this is my first time sa 300 km. Ambot lang guys, kung asa ko taman. Basta I signed up for it. I want to thank you all guys. Savon, sila, Viv, over there, the guys over there for rooting for me. Ang banner! Ow. So actually, I did not prepare for this because, ano ba ngayon? Friday. I decided Wednesday.
Wednesday night.
Wednesday morning.
Morning.
Oh, Wednesday
And then
morning.
She didn't tell anyone about this. She told me. Boss, are you nervous?
Right now, hindi. Shout out sa nanay ko. 1 a.m. ganihag. Daghan kay siyag chat, litanya. What are you doing to your life? Mga na ang peg. But don't worry, mama. If I'm tired, I'm gonna stop.
Feeling ko lang, you were inspired with your recent achievement.
Yeah.
Okay. Inspired ka sa mga messages sa mga tao.
Yeah, actually.
This time, no one's gonna carry anything for her, but we will carry it through the van. How many outfits did you bring?
I got 12 outfits, guys, and then 8 shoes.
Because you're an octopus. We're looking forward to see you wearing more Lady Justice outfits.
Yes, of course.
Attorney Kat, God bless you with your run. We are all proud of you. Bisag ginakulba-kulbaan me for you, but this is your happiness and this is what you really wanted to do. So we're here to support you and we always love you. And regardless of your achievement, finish or not finish, we're all here. I'm very proud of you. Love you.
Hello, Attorney Ka.
Hello, Attorney. Good luck sa run. Kung tired na, undang lang. Pero go, 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 go. We support you.
Yes, first, safety ni mo. Mo naman namang ginaisip actually. We hope na mag-enjoy ka sa imo ang 300 km journey. More runs pa para sa imo ha. So, safety and kung dili na kaya, uli lang. Nagulat lang ni. God bless.
Attorney Kat, good luck to you. I have all the respect for you in the world. What you're getting ready to do is insane. But I think you can do it. And proud of you and good luck.
Dalawa lang wish namin.
Okay.
Matapos niya ang 300, tapos dapat safe. So,
Safe.
regardless ng pace, regardless ng kwan, so dapat matapos niya ang 300, tapos safe, injury-free.
So, in behalf sa drunken runners, sa tanan ng mga nagdagan karon sa 300 ng mga Spartan, ahu. Good luck! Unta, ang kaning shot glass, makahuman sa inyo ang dula karon hantod mate. Mate! Orok!
Laban lang, alaksan.
Attorney Gandang! This is it. Looking forward for your journey and hopefully walay injured yung mahitabo and praying for your successful na pag-run sa 300. Good luck!
Ba't parang hindi kayo masaya sa gawin ninyo?
So hi guys, this is me after 3 hours and 18 kilometers. 282 to go guys.
Nanay, magkuhan na to ron, bigos na siguro to.
Dili na lang po guys. This is me at kilometer 30, 5 hours and 11 minutes. Alive and kicking.
You're welcome. Bago na kung go, di ba? Nagsan ako. So, asa mo?
Nait na ko tong first 40 kilometers na 7 hours. Pero this one, pasaka man unta, mahit na ko ang 8 hours. Tapos mag-power nap with power later. Hello guys! So this is me at kilometer 65.41. 13 hours and 44 na pong nagbabagdoy. And as an Ariat runner, magpapadrip po tayo. Kasi kung hindi ako magpa-drip, mag-DNF na talaga ako guys. Kasi baka hindi ako makaabot sa, sa cut-off ng 100.
Video sila, mas kaglo pa. Nabot ka.
Apil mga kasa na hila.
Wala kayo. Ako'y nag-drive. Kailangan ako.
Iyan ako na nga ako ang mga sapatos. Kasi sa kung saan ni mo na, mula na siya.
Thanks, Yula.
65. Dumpa ka ka, dumpa.
Kailangan niyo.
Chlorine din na guys.
Paglakaw.
Sige daw.
Dito ko na. Lalay ka. Ay, dagan na.
Don't worry, Mama. If I'm tired, I'm gonna stop.
Kung tired na, undang lang.
We're here to support you and we always love you.
So, andito lahat. Dalawang team.
How proud are you?
Very.
Very?
Kasi hindi namin nakalain. Kala namin joke lang. Totoo pala. So, yun lang.